Hello kids and cadets, welcome back to Tommy Time. I just took in this Yard Machines 500E. It's a 21-inch cut, self-propelled unit. I went out with the Toro Recycler and traded the Toro for this Yard Machines. I gave $45 for the Yard Machine since it was complete. And I went to start it right away, and the recoil was broken. So I knew that would be an easy fix, so that's why I gave so much in trade value. Hopefully that's all it is. I'm going to sharpen the blade, just check the plug. I'm going to do an oil change on it. So I happen to have another Yard Machines 500E in my scrap yard, so I'm going to switch out recoil assemblies. So I'll show you what the major issue with the recoil assembly was on this Yard Machines. Here's another recoil assembly that I have disassembled, and the same issue with the Yard Machines happened to this one here. These two ratchet pawls fell out of the assembly. You can buy these ratchet pawls separately. It requires two, and I have a part number for you. 281505S is in Sam. I'll put it in the description below. What I've seen is either one or both of these sometimes pop off. You can see there's a spring missing here to keep this all, or not a spring, a clip to keep this down. I've had this one apart. So this pawl goes in here, and with centrifugal force, when you're yanking on the rope, it'll take this pawl and spin it out, and then it grabs the catch on the top of the flywheel and spins the engine. This doodad right here. So I'll show you what a good one looks like. You can actually buy the assembly here, and these are just held on with 4 sets of tabs. You would reuse your same outer beauty ring. This removes and you can replace it. So I'll pull on this one a little bit. You can see the ratchet pawls pop out. They're spring loaded. So like I said, I'll either see one of these pop off and get lost, or both will be missing. You can buy these separately, like I said, with that part number, or you can buy the whole assembly here. They're about 15 to 20 bucks with free shipping on Fleabay or the Big Jungle Company. This is the one that actually came off of the Yard Machine. It looked like somebody's put a new rope on it. The rope looks fresh. But both pawls are missing on this one. So you can spin this all day long and nothing's going to happen. So that's where we're at on the Yard Machine. It is a 2014 model year. So Mr. Snake and I'll change this out, do the work as described above, oil change, sharpen the blade, put the plug back in, and this should be ready to go. I've already serviced the front wheel drive, taken both wheels out, did some greasing on the axle shafts, and I don't see any other major issues with this yard machine, so I think this will be a quick and easy turnaround. Anywho, I appreciate you kids and cadets coming out and looking at this fine beauty with me. Continue to have a great day, and I'll put those part numbers below for the Ratchet pawls if you want to try to replace just those two white pawls. They're roughly $2.50 each. Another quick tip, when I have these recoils out, I like to put a little oil here to make these pawls spin out a little faster. Put a little oil around here. These things get awfully dry and it's just plastic on plastic. A little lubricating oil will not hurt a thing. So there you go. Have a great day, kids.